merciful. Respected CEO Dr. worthy new education Sir Abbas, and most honorable guests, teachers and our colleagues. Assalamu alaikum. I, Ms. Aima Anjum, before I was PhD student, but now I can say Alhamdulillah, as an EST, on the behalf of our colleagues, I am here. And first of all, I will say thanks to Allah Almighty, and then to all our respected CEO education and new education, that because of their, I thank to them for their continuous support and transparent process in the promotion. This promotion is not just a change of designation. I think this promotion is a result of believing our CEO and new education on our hard work. Their leadership has given us a new hope, and once again I will thank you, these all CEOs and new education, for believing in us. At last, I will say that education is actually the most powerful tool by which you can change the world.